Hey friends, it's Akidiris. You should drink water every day. If you're new to this channel, usually I do anime, otaku, and Japan related stuff, but because of the fact that I guess My Chemical Romance is coming back out, I thought for a video to try and transform myself into a Myspace Scene Kid. If you've never heard of a Myspace Scene Kid, then hats off to you, because this trend pretty much died when MySpace did. Basically, it was this fashion that kinda only existed on MySpace. While there are a few people out there that keep the scene legacy alive today, the whole mainstream aspect of it is pretty much dead. It was a beauty standard that a lot of kids on MySpace wanted to achieve in order to get internet famous. You know, even if that meant begging your parents for those expensive solid colored checkered skinny jeans at Hot Topic. You know, anyone that bought those and threw them out, they are out there somewhere. Somewhere out there, someone is trying to become a scene kid with your pants. Anyways, the higher your tease was, the higher your notoriety on MySpace became. So scene wasn't just a fashion, it was a lifestyle. It was about wanting to be part of the RAR X3 equals bracket nuzzling pawn and Z to write love on her arms, Tila tequila, PC for PC, whore train, coontail trash junkies. Now I know a lot of you are probably thinking I'm ridiculing these types of people and that I never wanted to do this myself, but all I'm gonna say is that it takes one to know one, and yes, I'm coming out saying that at one point I did want to try and look like this. I don't know why, but looking like this was very desirable, and even today I have no idea what infatuated me so much with this look. It could be the fact that it was sort of like glam rock meets visual K with, I don't know, unicorn poop thrown all over it. Whatever it was, like many of you, I tried and failed, and no, I am never sharing those photos of this face ever. So today I'm going to be having my friend, who also happens to do my hair, to turn me into the scene kid I always wanted to be when I was 13. I can't guarantee I'll like it, but it'll be interesting to see, so who knows, maybe Tom will watch this and add me. By the way, you still alive, bro? Delicious. Yeah, so we're using a wig right now. You know, for all I know, because like all of the aesthetic only existed online, I bet you some of those people just wore wigs. And I think everyone followed that tutorial on YouTube to make coontails, where it was like the mascara on the hair. Can my ad revenue for this video just be paid in Hot Topic gift cards, please?
You know it's all K-pop now, right?
You know what's weird about Hot Topic? Okay, so not only was that like the phase where I guess scene kids got a lot of their stuff, but it started off as like a kind of a gothic store, and then it went to emo, and then it pertained to like the scene kids, and now it pertains to anime, which says a lot about the demographic, I feel. Like, how much damage was done to everyone's hair at the age of 16?
Honestly, the style was so like shattered that I think people didn't notice.
Yeah.
The more broken the better.
Expect lots and lots of teasing. We're gonna make my hair higher than my high school grades, guys.
Were you ever a scene kid?
Was I ever a scene kid? I don't think I could pull it off. I wanted to be. I don't know, did you?
I kind of just, I went towards visual K.
I mean, I was really into VK as well, and I think VK also put scene kids in front of me, but just having a MySpace kind of brought all of that together. I don't know if VK was really big in the scene.
I don't know if they knew about it. They're kind of different worlds.
Yeah, almost, but they looked similar if you knew both of them.
Like if they're weebs, they probably knew.
Like scene kids, when I first saw those pictures, I thought that they were VK fans because of the, you know, the choppy hair. We used to call it choppy, and dude, the price for razors and straighteners and Manic Panic probably went through the roof. Happy Tree Friends, remember that?
Emily the Strange.
Emily the Strange, yes! Oh yeah, did you ever read Pawn and Z comics?
No.
Oh my god, dude, that was like the comic that was like online that everyone wanted on their MySpace page. I drew on my Converse with the Sharpie.
Hey, that was me.
Yes. And then
I was the cool one.
Yeah, and then you would take a picture of it with like probably a very low quality camera and then put it in black and white on your computer.
Oh, yeah. Everyone had the Sony, what's it, Cybershot?
Something like that, yeah. You would just put it in black and white, and then that would be like your header. You would have something pretty pretentious as like a header, or for your About Me. The About Me would be like 16, single, you. But dude, MySpace was actually really fun to customize back then. I was so addicted to customizing that. I think I changed my profile every week.
A lot of people, you know, a lot of my friends that were into that, I wasn't good at that stuff. They became coders.
You know what? That's like a beginner's, you know, entry to coding.
Yeah, like professionally.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't teach you like really, really big things, but it got you started, you know?
My friend told me that there's a rumor, I don't know, but some scene or emo kids started developing a lazy eye because they would cover their eyes so much that...
What? What?
I don't know. I don't think it's true.
I'm gonna have a lazy eye by the end of this video. I can't see anything right now. You know what also like really made it difficult to do the scene haircut is like back then salons didn't really know how to do it. You had to like get a friend who was in the community to know how to do it right. I tried to go to Supercuts and I showed them a picture and I was like, can I get it choppy like this? And it was so bad. I have no pictures of it whatsoever. I hated my hair, but they're like, because it was all adults that didn't know what that was. They're just like, oh, why are their eyes covered? This is stupid.
They're kind of just like, oh, this is a mullet, right? And they give you like a real mullet.
Oh my god!
Do you remember any internet slangs from MySpace?
The what?
Internet slangs?
Internet slangs. PC for PC. Did you do that?
I didn't do it.
Picture, it's like picture comment.
I know it.
Yeah, it's like what people's way of like, can you comment on my picture and I'll comment on your picture. What else is there? Oh, RAR X3? RAR X3, yeah. Oh no, by the end of this I think I'm gonna have to like write on my hands. It's like the higher your hair, the higher your rank was on MySpace.
It's when people steal other people's pictures to try to catfish someone.
Oh yeah. Yeah, people would steal other people's photos and then you didn't know who was who. Yeah, I think that was the issue, you know? Because if you typed in Scene Kid on Google Images, it seems like everyone has uploaded the same photo and it becomes so impossible to find like who the real person was. I did follow a lot of whore trains though. Do you know what those are?
I know there was a lot of like bandwagons and trains. I'm not sure what a whore train is.
Whore train was a way for you to like up your friends list count. If you were part of a whore train, that meant you were popular on the site. What was one? I think I saw one called like the Asian Elite, and then
like AZN.
Yeah, AZN. Like the requirements were you must be at least 17 years old.
It's like, oh, all the memories are coming back now.
Yeah, the requirements were like you had to be at least 17 years old. You must have at least 10,000 followers. You have to have an average of like 50 likes per photo, and then it had like the top 3 people. It's like, oh man, I wish I could get to that level at one point.
You wanna do the painting for the coontail? It's maybe enough for
Oh my god. Oh, we have the coontail part now?
Yeah.
Oh, my favorite. Okay, how should I do this? On cardboard? Did you ever write on yourself?
Write on myself? No, I didn't.
I did. I don't remember what I wrote. I think there were more doodles than anything. Yeah, so there's one done, and I'm just gonna do that throughout the whole thing.
And I will continue to raise your hair to the heavens.
Thank you! I mean, this must be fun for you as a hairstylist.
It's a throwback.
Dude, I wanted Visual K hair so badly. I loved Bo from Anne Cafe. That was like the first face of like Visual K fashion that I saw. But my first Visual K band I feel might have been Nightmare. And then after that, Duran Gray, of course. If you even count them as Visual K.
They were the kings for a while.
Yeah. And then there was Gilgamesh, and then of course then there was Miyavi and X Japan. Oh my god, X Japan. I don't know, I have a feeling that there is a new age version of Scene Kid, but it's something else.
I feel like now it's Hype Beast.
Yes, I think it might be that. Like, I didn't really get Supreme because it's just the word Supreme put on a t-shirt and it's for like $1,000. I was like, what?
Why so money?
Yeah, why you do this? Why you do this to my pocket? Dad, I'm telling you, it's not a phase. Please believe me, you need to study. Pick up a book.
Do your homework.
My coontail's done.
Oh.
It's not even whatsoever. There's this big ass chunk in the middle.
It's okay. We're gonna shove it underneath here.
It's amazing how ridiculous this looks without heavy makeup. It looks like you're going insane. Oh my god. I think that's seen enough.
I think we need more hairspray!
I do look good for MySpace. I'm gonna go back on there and I'm gonna show all my 0 friends who are no longer on there, and they're all gonna be like, damn! I had a few band member crushes. I did fall in love with Gerard Way. I really loved Bill from Tokyo Hotel. Tokyo Idol's a freaking Netflix documentary.
Oh.
Do you remember Tokyo Hotel?
Yeah.
They were like a German band.
They were something European white people, yes.
I think they were German.
Do you have your MySpace still?
I do.
Can you like look at it?
No. Dude, that is hidden away. There's no fucking way. Actually, I don't even know how to log into it, but
Okay.
I know I still have it. I don't remember what Scene Kid makeup looks like. I know that they put black under the eyes.
Raccoon eyes.
Raccoon eyes, got it. Oh, there you go. Okay. Did you know any Scene Kids? Or like people who tried to be seen?
Oh, yeah. They would hang out at the mall.
Yeah. By Hot Topic? And Claire's?
Just like outside. Or just hang on those rails.
The rails!
Like,
I'm laughing because it's so true. Seeing kids at school be hanging under the stairs, and during gym they would do nothing.
yes.
I had my iPod Shuffle with me. Oh my god. I don't think I need lashes. Are you even gonna see it by this point? Like, I don't think you will. I think I'll just add the hair accessories now. I did whatever I could to find references. With each bow comes an extra 1,000 followers. I look like I don't want to talk to you and just listen to Seo Sin all day. I also got a crap ton of bracelets because we would cover our arms in bracelets, dude. The old MCR generation fans coming to their concert, like, we're gonna see all of like the elite MySpace people all there.
Remember me?
Wait, I got a tiara. Ew. I really went ham on this look, dude. Because I need to show everybody that I am the queen of MySpace. I know that like young people that are looking at this right now, who came after MySpace, are thinking, what the hell was this look? And where are these people now? They grew up. They're going to the MCR concert, so you might see them over there looking like this to make up for the fact that they were broke when they were younger. And now they're making their own money. I'm gonna make snake bites. Oh my god. Seeing kids were always getting in trouble in school for their dress code. What?
It's kind of great.
Why?
So mean.
Yeah. Is this too big?
Nope.
No? Okay.
Yes.
Thanks, I hate it. Okay, is that enough? I think 2's fine. Is Joey going to leave me once he sees this? He's just gonna be like, She wants me to wear this pearl necklace because apparently that was a thing that I didn't really catch when I was on MySpace.
Yeah, and then one side vomit in the other.
Joey.
Yeah. You look like every person I tried to avoid in high school. And I really want to avoid you now.
Aren't I beautiful?
No. You look disgusting.
But there's a scene, right?
Yeah. As in, like, I'm gonna leave you on scene in Messenger. You actually look so nasty. Like, I'm not even joking. It's so disgusting. This is why I never got into the scene. You look like you listened to My Chemical Romance at your grandma's wedding. Like, while they're lowering her into the casket, you're singing Black Parade.
I got like the infinite amount of bracelets. I was telling Cha that I actually know some scene girls that were at my school, and it was funny seeing them during gym class having this but the genuine far, and they'd sit out every class and do nothing.
Yeah, because can you imagine them like having all this shit in their face?
Dodgeball!
And like, yeah, and just like running, or you can hear them.
It's not a phase.
Absolutely
You're being
a phase.
stupid. It's not a phase, Joey. This is me. This is my angst. I have 6,000 followers on MySpace. Why won't it close? What else did they write on their hand? Wasn't it their like MySpace? Oh man. Shit. Oh yeah, I'm just more edgy. Every mistake I make, it just makes me much more better. I got the Converse. I need to write on my Converse because I'm living my 13-year-old dream and I don't like this dream now that it's been fulfilled. I'm glad to know that I didn't do this earlier because otherwise there would have been a lot of photos I had to delete. PC for PC.
Of course, there needs to be a black heart too, to show the absolute angst. God, you're so ugly. I'm so glad this literally ended up being a phase.
Yeah, no,
Like, could you imagine if this shit stuck?
I told Shaw that this hairstyle is the final boss of mullets.
It's not even a mullet, it's just the final boss of hair.
Oh my god, thank god that this is just a wig, right?
Yeah, I know.
Like, what if I just go out in public like this?
I wouldn't let you go out in public.
Dude, once the MCR concert happens, you know everyone is gonna flip their shit once this happens. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. It's not a phase. He said, son, when you grow up, will you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the damned?